Have you ever encountered a river that boils without fire? Deep within the heart of the Peruvian Amazon lies the boiling river, where the waters steam at temperatures nearing 200 degrees. Scientists are intrigued by its unexpected geothermal activity, especially since active volcanoes are absent from the vicinity. Stirred by ancestral tales, locals believe the river harbors a powerful spirit, blending natural wonder with cultural mystique. As researchers study its unique ecosystem, they uncover both the river's enigmatic origins and potential medicinal properties. This mysterious event invites us to reflect on nature's hidden marvels and the stories they tell.